Hello people of YouTube, welcome to my second full-length video. I am Drawn WT10, and in my last video, I promised you guys a better, more well-scripted video once we got to 50 subscribers. But we managed to do that overnight, so I'm back here the day afterwards, filming a new video, and today we're going to be doing a cooking video. Mind you, this is my second video, so for my next few videos, I'm going to be doing one specific video idea and kind of just working off that to see how it goes. Because I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet, so I'm kind of just doing whatever I want. For this video, we are going to be cooking spicy ramen, and we are going to be using a recipe by Eat with Clarity. So if that's you, shout out to you because we're using your recipe today. Anyways, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, we're in the kitchen. We've got a bowl here, and I've got the recipe down here. So, hang on. Okay, we're gonna cook these noodles. So just the noodles. We're not using the flavor. Because that would make it less, spicy. There we go. Alright. We're gonna put this on medium heat until it boils. So, wait for that to happen. Alright, now we put the noodles in. And then we put a 3-minute timer on. And now we painfully wait. And we also mix it around with a fork or like a wooden spoon or anything that you have handy. Also, if you hear any background sounds, it's my sister. It splattered me. Well, in the meantime, we're just gonna do this. And so, we're supposed to use like chili garlic sauce. I found chili sauce, so that might be pretty much the same thing. But in case it's not, I'm making an extra spicy spice concoction. Because I want it to be spicy and burn my mouth. If you're wondering what it is, I just put some black pepper and cayenne pepper in a little bowl. And then you just mix it up. Okay, so I mixed this up and the noodles are actually done cooking now. Cause as you can see, I turned off the stove there. And by the way, the kitchen is a mess. Just ignore all that. Focus on this and that. So next what we're going to do is we are going to chop up some green onions. One just fell. To saute them with garlic powder and ginger. You're supposed to use just regular garlic, but we don't have any fresh garlic in this house because this house is the most chaotic house in the world. So you're never gonna have everything you need here, unless you go out and buy it. I didn't do that because I just decided I wanted to make this like 20 minutes ago because I'm hungry and it's lunchtime and my phone fell again. So I'm putting it up because it's stupid. After we finish chopping this up, I'm actually going to save some of the tops to put on later. More for aesthetics than anything else. But also just because I want it. It would make it look spicier. I don't know. Logic. Okay, now I'm putting some ginger on there. Life hack, if you twist this white part, the ginger or whatever is stuck will come out a lot faster, which is nice because this takes way too long. This is good. This, on the other hand, it just comes right out, so I'm gonna try and be careful with this. These are gonna be some flavorful noodles, by the way, just so you know. And it's starting to steam. So let's get ready for this. I settled on this. Just gonna saute them until they're kind of crispy, I guess. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. It's delicious. Okay. I think they are probably sauteed enough. But actually, these smell so good. Like, I know they're just onions, garlic, and ginger, but it still smells so good. The heat is off, so hopefully they won't burn. Hopefully. Okay, so, that stuff was done. So, I'm just going to add some of the sauce in. I don't even know how spicy this is. It's not even spicy. I tried a little bit of this spice stuff that I made, and it is very spicy, so I'm gonna add a little bit. Now we're supposed to simmer this on low heat for about 5 minutes. So I'll see you when that is. I almost forgot. Supposed to add in some of that, and oddly enough, some honey. But okay, just gonna go with it, I guess. Also, they didn't put any measurements on the recipe, so I'm just guessing. But yeah. This one smells interesting. I don't know if this one's gonna be good. Or the sauce. Okay. Be quiet, sister. Alright. Now we're just gonna mix the spice into the noodles and hope there's enough spice to cover all the noodles. This does not look very spicy yet. Does not look spicy at all. Anyways, I have my sauteed onions here. So we're just gonna mix that in. Okay, so I finished making it. I went ahead and put a egg on it and some nice little green onions. The egg kind of folded, so it's pretty rectangular. But let's go ahead and try it. Ooh, okay. That's spicy. Mm, that's good. The spice is a 10 out of 10. It is really spicy. It is very spicy. If you like spice, this is a good dish for you. But flavor-wise, it would probably be like a 7.5 out of 10. It is a pretty good dish though, so if you ever want something really spicy that doesn't take like a super long amount of time, make this. It's like a 20-30 minute dish. It's delicious. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, or maybe different than this, who knows? I'm still figuring things out. Then make sure to like and subscribe. My chunk! Here's one of my chunks. This is Spots, and he is a sweetheart, and he gives you kisses. So, goodbye, everybody! Pickle kisses!